Hey, what's up, Monero holder? This is live price prediction of Monero. You watching ABS Tech channel. Please click the subscribe button if you are new for this channel and they are updating you any last hour. You just click the subscribe button and press the bell icon. I updating you any last hour. Just click the subscribe button. Okay, you watching here as the live price prediction of 1 hour. So this is absolutely last 1 hour. You can see here the changes of as absolutely very bad. They are going downwards. You can see here the last 1 hour minus 0.95%, absolutely downward. You can see here, but the changes of profit you can see here as absolutely very amazing, brilliant earning. You can see here. So let's check it out the last 2 hour result. I hope the last 2 hour result is a good, don't bad. So let's see it. You just subscribe for latest update. So you can see here they are also going down. You can see in the graph they are moving back, they are moving back downward. So this is the last changes of last 2 hours minus 1.21%, absolutely very bad. You can see here, and the last 2 hour result just they are moving downward. So this is selling time. This is not a buying time. I think this is selling time. But what you say, I'm also holder of Monero, so you please just comment me what I do. Okay, so let's check it out the last 4 hour result. I hope the last 4 hour result absolutely going good. What we said, this is oh my goodness, totally they are going downward. You see, and the graph totally they are going downward. I think this is just selling time. This is just selling time. This is not a buying time. They are totally going downward. This is very bad result. You can see here, just stop to buy it. Okay, just stop. This is very bad time for Monero. You can see here also. So this is absolutely very bad change. You can see here minus 5.05%, absolutely very bad, but the profit is absolutely good. You can see, just you just buy, you just sell it. Okay, absolutely good time for selling. So thanks for watching. This is live price prediction. You just click on the subscribe button for latest update. I updating you any last hour. Allah Hafiz, take care.